Hello and welcome to IGT and Tech College. I'm Mr. Seth. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix Itel that shut down immediately after being tuned on. So make sure you watch a video to the end. You will understand how to do it. So watch immediately. So we're gonna fix these issues. And this method can work in different mobile phone, not only Itel 2160, even in Techno, even in different Itels, this method can work. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on subscribe button and on notification bell so you will be notified when new video uploaded. So next step is to open device. So always remember to remove SIM card and memory card. As you see, that's phone. So we're gonna remove this plastic well. Often you do have to do it careful, or you may harm that screen. So remove it. So here we're gonna test two things. Number one, this problem may be caused by affected battery or draining battery. The second may be caused by these buttons. Also, even here on power ice can cause this problem. So we need to first testing that battery to make sure it has enough voltage so that you may go to next step. To set the battery, you need to have multimeter. We need to have multimeter, but clean it first. I'm currently using petrol. Clean battery. So we're gonna use multimeter to test the voltage of this battery. If you don't know how to use multimeter, you can visit our website www.igttechcollege and you can get that book which teaches everything about multimeter. So here we're gonna switch on 20 voltage. You see, that is the range for battery tester. Black probe to negative, red probe to positive. We have a 3.79. That is enough voltage to turn on mobile phone. As you see here, we have the voltage written on the battery. So meaning that battery is okay. The problem is our Itel 2160. Let us test if it has full shot or half shot. So here we need to switch on diode length, but our multimeter is not working well right now, so that's why we gonna leave and continue, because I'm very sure that this phone don't have full shot but is half shot. So we're gonna fix this issue step by step. Don't skip anything, just watch the video till end. You will recognize how to solve these issues. So as you see here, this is PCB holder. If you don't have the PCB holder, you can get it, but if it's not available in your location, it's okay, no problem, you can't continue without using it. But here we're gonna use SMD station. And first here, set this PCB holder. Maybe here is not working well also. Okay, it's okay, you can continue. We're gonna set it. Okay. So we're gonna solve half shot. This is hot air gun blower in some countries, and the other says gun, but it's SMD station network. So we're gonna do this. Make sure you do it careful. Avoid to remove any items. We are not remove any items, no, we are just giving a hit. So white to see lizard. So don't remove it immediately, just wait for like 5 minutes so that you may not remove any items. Just wait. Yeah, I think 3 to 5 minutes enough. So this paper will go back again. We shall put it back here. So you can ask yourself, what can I do if I don't have SMD station? So don't worry, if you don't have it, just you need a candle. Just use a candle to hit the PCB, but do it careful. So we're gonna test after 5 minutes. We're gonna test if to see the lizard. This is the best method to stop half short circuit. Let me clean here on screen. Then we're gonna test. We're gonna turn on. Okay. Just let us wait like 1 minute. So as you see, the problem has already solved. That was half short. And the next video I will be showing you how to remove full short. Let me believe you got helped by this video. So make sure you click on subscribe button, like and comment, and tell us where are you watching this video from. So as you see, everything is working well. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.